One of the things that can be very helpful when working with customers on a subscription basis is to build some kind of contingency into the expiration date of the license itself. So what do we mean? Well, if you have a subscription perhaps for 1 year, starts January 1st and then ends at the end of the year, especially since it ends at the end of the year, often things are a little complex and chaotic around year end. And so ensuring that the renewal gets done before the end of the year can sometimes be a little challenging. So what you can do, again, fully under your control, your choice, you can build in what we call a grace period. So a grace period acts as an extension of the subscription, sort of built into that license. So here the license would be for a 1-year subscription expiring on December 31st, but with a grace period until January 14th. And so that allows the end customer to run your application up until January 14th. Now, as they use it between January 1st and the 14th, your application will get the status through our APIs to say, hey, this customer is currently in a grace period. So you can perhaps provide that as feedback to the end customer to say, hey, you're in a grace period, you should really renew your license because it's going to expire January 14th, or you have a grace period until January 14th, and so forth. So this just gives you some additional flexibility in terms of that working relationship with that customer. Now, when you actually process the renewal against this subscription, of course, if you extend that license for another year, it will use the expiration date as the last valid date. And so you'll then be able to update that license from January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024, et cetera. So for renewals and ongoing updates, we'll use the expiration date, but that grace period gives you that safety zone in order to work that relationship out with your customer.